Northwesterly winds are picking up and it looks like the cold front's on its way. So let's get into the studio and look at the forecast. The cold front sliding over the Western Cape overnight into Thursday morning, spreading light showers into parts of the Western Cape with another weaker cold front on its tail, only slipping over the southern coastline to bring in some drizzle for parts of the winelands. And then ahead of the front, we're expecting isolated showers and a few thunderstorms over parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, becoming scattered over the interior and the northern areas. In that area, the Weather Service is also warning against severe thunderstorms, which could result in large amounts of hail, excessive lightning, as well as a quick heavy downpour. Severe thunderstorms could likely move along the escarpment and reach the southern parts of Mpumalanga, with only isolated storms in northwest and expected over Gauteng. And as mentioned, morning light rain for parts of the Western Cape. That cold front quickly moving over the Western Cape, most of the rain expected early on Thursday morning and then remaining cloudy to mostly cloudy throughout the day with a cool onshore westerly wind, only 20 degrees in Cape Town. The second weaker cold front later brushing over the Garden Route to bring in some drizzle, only 21 degrees in Plettenberg Bay. Also a cool onshore southwesterly wind to west southwesterly wind spreading into the Eastern Cape. A few showers expected over the coastal areas and the interior with isolated thunderstorms likely from late afternoon, and winds also turning northeasterly along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, later southwesterly between Port St. John's all the way to Richards Bay, and scattered thunderstorms expected due to high instability values over the interior, especially the northern areas. Hail possible as well as a quick heavy downpour. Isolated thunderstorms after a hot day in Mpumalanga and becoming scattered over the southern areas where the Weather Service has also issued a level 2 yellow warning. It's hot in Limpopo, temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s in the low veld, and later a thick layer of high level cloud moving overhead. Temperatures above 30 degrees in northwest with a 30% chance of thunderstorms developing over the northern and eastern areas. A southwesterly cool breeze cooling down the southern parts of the Northern Cape, only 19 degrees in Sutherland, hot in the northern parts, 32 degrees in Postmasburg as well as Kimberley. A northwesterly wind picking up in the Free State, where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires and isolated thunderstorms likely in the areas bordering Lesotho as well as the extreme southwestern areas. And then after a hot day, heat-induced thunderstorms possible over parts of Gauteng. Into Friday, light rain still possible along the southern coastline, the Eastern Cape. Showers and thunderstorms moving over KwaZulu-Natal, becoming scattered over the northeastern areas. And then a stormy Saturday ahead for South Africa. Thunderstorms likely to become severe over parts of the Highveld, the Free State, and especially the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. So please be on the lookout for any weather warnings issued by the Weather Service. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.